I found this bug on my Maximilian sunflower. Is this a good bug or bad bug? I noticed it when I found leaves yellowing. Faye from Brighton, Tennessee. So, nice picture, I like that. So what do we think that is? Good bug, bad bug?
I think it's a good bug.
I think it's a good bug, okay. I think it's a good bug. So what bug is it?
Larval stage of a ladybug.
That's what I think it is as well.
Yes. And so, you know, it's so important for us to realize that insects look different during different portions of their life cycle. And I'm glad that she sent that picture in because now she knows that it's a beneficial insect. Lady beetles are beneficial. They're predatory. So we want to make sure that we're not doing anything to discourage those larvae from doing their thing. And also another stage of the ladybug that's looks even more strange than that is when it's pupating essentially, and it's like stuck onto a leaf, and you're confused. You're like, well, it's not moving. It's like suctioned on there. So yes, definitely do a little investigation when we're trying to identify those insects.
Good bug, right? Eats a lot of aphids, you know, scales, beneficial in the garden, our friend.
Definitely.
4 stages. So you did mention a couple of those stages. So you have the egg stage.
Yes.
The larva, which was there. And the larva looks like an alligator. I was, you know, every time it looks scaly.
Kind of spiky.
Yeah, spiky and scaly, you know. Pupa and adult.
An adult.
There you go. So you 4 stages. So there you have it, right? Thank you for that question and the picture. So it's good to know our friends in the garden.
And even, let's mention too, that even Asian lady beetles are predatory.
That's right.
So,
That's right.
you know, leave them alone.
We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.